How to upload your resume on LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can upload resume on LinkedIn. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to upload a resume on LinkedIn, first you wanna open up the application or the browser. Wherever you wanna head over to the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here you wanna head into settings. Once on the settings, what you want to do is you want to head over to the option that says data privacy. So you want to tap on data privacy, and under data privacy, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option that says job application settings. You want to tap on it, and now here you can see share resume data with recruiters. So you can enable this, and then you can tap on upload resume and choose the resume to upload. You can upload document X, PDF file that is under 5 MB. So this way you can upload resume on LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.